Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in this video we are gonna continue the last part from where we left in the Discord bot. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so these are the modules that we're gonna need for the project. Okay, so yes, now let's start. So here we're gonna use client. We're gonna assign one variable client actually equals to commands dot bot. Okay, now we're gonna set the prefix commands. You can say command actually, command underscore prefix. Okay, command underscore prefix. What it uses prefix actually, I'm confused a bit. Let's say I'm using this question mark. Get to the next line, get here. Now type client dot event. Okay, get to the next line, since def on ready. This shows that when ready what it will show to us. Okay, get next line, you can say print. This will print in the terminal, not on the you can say Discord page that the bot is ready and all. Okay, so type bot is working. Okay, and we can assign one variable, like we can type else as well. We can use else print bot out of service, right? I think we should use this thing as well, bot out of service. Yes, get to the next line guys. And yeah, today we'll just assign one function of the bot, not much, because this will just increase the length of the video. So we can say you assign one function today, assign one function in the next video, and then other videos and all. Okay, so yeah, either way, client dot command. Okay, yeah, command brackets async. Okay, async def in the sense like when someone sends this message, what will send to us. ctx, get the next line. Sorry, yeah, I forgot to colon up here. Yeah, now type await ctx dot send. Yeah, dot send. We can say hi, the reply. Okay, and the most important thing that we need to add, otherwise without it the bot won't work, is this. Okay, get the token from the Discord developers pool client dot run. This will run the bot, otherwise the bot won't run, and all the things will be a waste. This is my token. Okay, save it. Okay, so yes, we have made it, and let's first check it by running. And yeah, wait, I actually need to install, I think, the Python module. Python, let it load. Yeah, installing. It'll take some time. I'll be there after it gets installed. Okay, let me just close it. How much is done? Okay, it's taking time guys. Okay, so I think that it'll take time, so I'll be there. Yes guys, so yeah, it is installed, and now let's check if it's working. Okay, so it says no module named in Discord. I think I installed it there. I need to install it again. Let me get to my cmd. Okay, here pip install Discord. Okay, let it wait, like let's wait for some time. It's installing, yep. Yeah. It'll take some time, guys. Okay, so yes guys, now it's done. Okay, so now now we can run it. Let me get here. Run. Actually, I did it wrong. I shouldn't have opened the interactive window. I have to run Python file in terminal. Okay, yeah, it's loading. Okay, so yeah, bot is working. Okay, now let me get to the Chrome. Yeah, see, it's online. And what if I type hello right here? It spawns me back, hi. But as of now, we've done only one function of this bot, that is this hello function, and we have hosted it on our computer. And we need a proper hosting service so that the bot does not goes offline, and like we can do like we can actually play with it and do anything we want. Okay, so yeah, this was all in today's video. We'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye.